Sharp pain during every bowel movement, a burning sensation that lingers, or spotting blood on tissue. These could be signs of an anal fissure, a tiny tear that feels like a big problem. The good news, in most cases, you can heal without surgery using simple home treatments. I am Dr. Amit Goswami, a laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon practicing in Gurgaon with over 2 decades of experience. Today, I will walk you through the best non-surgical fissure care options like Sitz Baths, diet changes, creams, and more. But before we start, did you know most people watch but don't subscribe? If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe because your support helps us reach and heal more people. Now, what is an anal fissure and why it matters actually? A anal fissure is a small tear in the lining of the anus, but the pain can be intense. Patients often describe it as a passing glass. The best part is most fissures heal naturally when you treat the root causes like constipation, straining, or hard stools. Step 1. Sitz Bath. Sitting in a warm water for 10 to 20 minutes, 2 or 3 times daily, especially after passing stool, relaxes the anal muscles and sphincters, reduces pain, and increases blood flow to speed up healing. Step 2. Topical creams. For example, lidocaine cream helps numb the pain. For chronic fissures, doctors may prescribe nitroglycerin, nifedipine, or diltiazem ointments, which relax the sphincter and improve healing. Step 3. Gentle hygiene. Avoid harsh soaps or aggressive wiping. Use plain warm water or soft wet wipes instead. Diet is like a medicine here. Eat 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, etc. If that's not enough, fiber supplements like psyllium husk can help you. Hydration matters too. Drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water keeps stool soft and easy to pass. If the constipation continues, safe stool softeners or mild laxatives can prevent re-tearing and give the fissure time to heal. When the surgery is needed. Now, when you should consider surgery. If your fissure doesn't heal after 6 to 8 weeks of home care or pain keeps coming back, we may consider medical treatments like Botox injections or, in resistant cases, a small procedure called lateral internal sphincterotomy. It has a high success rate, but it is only needed for chronic fissure. So, let's recap your anal fissure home treatment plan. Number 1, warm Sitz Bath for pain and healing. Next is topical creams to relax and relieve. Number 3 is fiber, hydration, stool softeners to keep stool smooth. Last but not least is gentle hygiene to avoid irritation. Most people heal with these steps without surgery. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports our work. Remember, many viewers watch without subscribing. Your click helps us to spread awareness and help others in pain. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.